A message to Asue Igodaro and Godwin Obazee. So Asue Igodaro, I hear that you are coming to Houston, Texas. I'm going to be at the event, okay? The only purpose I'm going to be at the event is to ask you one simple question, okay? And that question is, you are a chairman of this, you are a board of director of this, you are a banker, you are a lawyer. With all these your professions, what impact have you made in Edo State that gave you?
Wahala they say not dey finish. Wahala for Abat hand not dey finish. My people, I just come across this video where be say Abat do. You na know this Abat when it comes to e pocket, e no dey use am take dey play with anybody. E get one video wey Dion do. I go put the video. I go still put this one where be say Abat do. Dion say when Asue Igodiyeke when he go come America, he wan ask am question. Na question na Dion say he wan ask o. Na Abba just dey cry since. Abba don cry. Abeg, we dey find big bucket where Abba go cry put because na question na Dion say he wan go ask for there. My people, this one no be say maybe na person wey you like or no be person wey you like. If una lis ten to this question, make una look at whether a rich person to cry put. Dion say he wan ask when he go down say he say he be this, he say he be that, he say he be the other one. Wetin make am talk say he wan come be Edo State governor? Wetin he don do for the Edo people before? You understand? Just a simple question. Abat was so hot, then Abat was so who in Nigeria. Because you Abat Obazee, not only your pocket now you know. It not concern you for other people, whether they chop or they not eat, or it not concern you. They drink water. Now Abat come out. He said na so Dion get 419 foundation. He said na scam out. He said na the other one. Just a question to ask Asue Igodiyeke. Abat was so Abat, why you be like this? When it comes to politics, e get the way you take the carry am. E no talk say you wan go beat am now. E no talk say you wan go like you no go allow am to enter a hall o. Dion say na question you wan just go ask am. You know say when you ask people question, if they reply you well, you for your brain now you go come calculate, you go come understand where dem dey go, wetin make dem wan do that thing. Na im make Abat just dey cry, my people. Can you imagine? Abat Obazee, Edo State good. Wetin make you carry all your property, your mama, your everybody? You carry everybody. You carry come. Not be your mama, your mother-in-law. You carry everybody. You carry come UK. Why you no sit down for that Edo State? Because everybody don't know say you can't sell Obazee for us. He not do anything. If you reach Edo State or you be low, Abat na make am back run. This one where see the console as well you go DK so now where see the console. Not be waiting Godwin Obazee do. Not be the same thing that one wants to do. So now make Dion say you want to ask some question. Abat was so. Abat cry us a river because nobody they believe you again. You see people where go believe Abat now just know because maybe say no know na self because if really say Edo State you want come be like America abroad, she be Abat for sit down. If you carry wife and everybody come out, the answer is no. Abat no say it go worse and worse and worse. Now make am run carry everybody wey be say near am is oya wagiakpa. Now make Abat run come out. Abat you can cry us a river, nobody see you. God thank God say na people wey dey for Edo State na dey vote, not be social media people. So all this one wey be Abat come dey do, e just dey do am because of say dem dey give am money. So na only pocket now you know. Since Governor Obazee dey, we dey ask Abat say wetin governor do? Come tell us. Abat never open mouth come sit down come dey tell us say mona see where governor don do o, mona see which one o, mona see the other one. If people go bring road wey no good, Abat go dey cry. He go say why dem come dey expose Obazee. If people talk, he go come dey cry say e no wan make people talk. You no fit cover everybody mouth to Abat o. You can cry from this year to the another year. Nobody send you again because you with the Obazee with people wey dey come una be the same thing. Nothing change for there. My brothers and sisters, make I put this video more than lis ten to wetin Dion talk. The question wey say he wan ask when Igodiyeke wey make Abat come run come out na do anyanya o ne kpaka. Abat your eye wey you dey open, no dey get anybody wey dey fear again because you be coward. You understand? You be just if they give you money na only your own na you no even care about all the people wey be say they no even see money take eat na your pocket na you know. I go put the 2 video make una watch and lis ten very well, make una tell me, make una write am there whether wetin Dion talk whether e wrong or e right. Okay, wetin make Abat come run come out, e come dey cry wan like ambulance, like immortal ambulance wey dey come for road. Una bye bye my people, sit down look na be dog. Oh Abat, your we don already know the kind person wey you be. You no care for anybody at all, na only your pocket na you know. Alright my people, help me to share this video, love and like and follow this page. Una bye bye for now, see you all later.
A message to Asue Ighodaro and Godwin Obazee. So Asue Ighodaro, I hear that you are coming to Houston, Texas. I'm going to be at the event, okay? The only purpose I'm going to be at the event is to ask you one simple question, okay? And that question is, you are a chairman of this, you are a board of director of this, you are a banker, you are a lawyer. With all these your professions, what impact have you made in Edo State that gave you the mind or the ginger to say, you know what, I want to lead Edo people? What qualifies you to be a governor? What impact have you made with all your qualifications before being a governor? That's my only question. So I'll be at your event, and the organizer of the event, please note, I will be at the event and I must ask that question. And if Asue is not able to give me a concrete answer, there's going to be a massive problems. Houston, there's going to be a problem in Houston. If Asue come to Houston and do not answer my question by telling us the impact he has made in Edo State before coming out to run as a governor, I don't blame him. I blame people like Obazee. Godwin Obazee, a failed governor, a failed technocrat, an MOU governor who have not been able to meet up his campaign promises. We are still waiting for Gelegele Seaport. We are still waiting for Industrial Park. We are still waiting for the airport in Benin. We are still waiting for the railroad. We are still waiting for the 200K jobs. And Asue, who never lived in Edo State. And Asue, who has no single contribution to the welfare of Edo people, who don't even have a property in Edo State. And Asue, who just got his voter's card, who have never voted in Edo State, is coming out to lead Edo people. Is coming out to be a governor of Edo people. And some of you youths, are you not old enough to be a governor? You are clapping. Are you not old enough to even be a president? A man will come all the way from Lagos, never created any job in Edo State, don't have property in Edo State, never voted in Edo State, want to come and be a governor in Edo State. All sentiment aside, let's be rational in our thinking. Is that fair? Well, I blame Edo people like me, and so many other Edo intellectuals who have left Edo State to seek a greener pasture, who have left our community to live a better life. Who is Asue? Who is Asue to come out? It's because we don't have anybody better now. After 8 years of Obazee, I saw a video yesterday, Obazee addressing protesters. This is the first time in 7-8 years that the governor of Edo State have stand to speak with youths. What happened with doing town hall meetings? What happened with visiting Abusali University to talk to youths? What happened to visit University of Benin, SUG, to say, no, this is way forward. What can we do to build our community? Now is the election. Governor is moving left and right. A very lazy governor. Who have not contributed to the development of Edo State. A governor who disrespects our king. Your time is up. So a message to Asue, like I said, make sure that you have an answer for my question. I need to know your contribution to the development of Edo State before coming to run as a governor. If you don't, problem will deal. Ask Governor Obazee what happened in Belgium. Ask him. A message to Asue Ighodaro and Godwin Obazee. So Asue Ighodaro, I hear that you are coming to Houston, Texas. I'm going to be at the event, okay? The only purpose I'm going to be at the event is to ask you one simple question, okay? And that question is, you are a chairman of this, you are a board of director of this, you are a banker, you are a lawyer. With all these your professions, what impact have you made in Edo State that gave you the mind or the ginger to say, you know what, I want to lead Edo people? What qualifies you to be a governor? What impact have you made with all your qualifications before being a governor? That's my only question. So I'll be at your event, and the organizer of the event, please note, I will be at the event and I must ask that question. And if Asue is not able to give me a concrete answer, there's going to be a massive problems. Houston, there's going to be a problem in Houston.
Guys, this is Dion Osagie, a notorious charity scammer. Yes, he's into foundation fraud. That's what he does in Edo State. And it's a shame. For almost 8 years now, I have been the only voice checkmating this boy. The Ministry of Women Affairs, I have tackled them countless times to investigate the activities of this boy. But they were playing games. Sometimes the boy will go there, go bribe them. Till date, the guy is still using his fraudulent foundation to scam people. That's where he's making money that he's using to gallivant around the world. This video, Dion Osagie just threatened to disrupt Asue Ighodalo American tour, especially in Houston. I will not say much because I don't live in America. I believe the organizers of the event, starting from 10 and 12, knows what to do. They know what to do. This boy is an Okpebolo supporter. So, Dion Osagie, I'm telling you today that you are not invited. It is Asue supporters and progressive Edos that are gathering in 3 cities in America to receive Asue for a dialogue, for Asue to seek for their support. And I want to tell you today that 95% of people that will be attending the event are already Asuelites. They are already supporters of Asue Ighodalo because Asue has been engaging Edos via different social media platforms, Zoom, and we have been posting his activities, his campaign manifesto since last year. I joined the struggle since last year. After the House of Assembly election, that was when I started throwing something around Asue Ighodalo. Now few people that pick. So you are not invited. But if you choose to attend the event, which the organizer will decide whether they will let you enter or not, because this video is enough for them to deny you access. The system works in America. This open threat that you are coming to ask an obvious question just to disrupt the event is enough for them to deny you access. If they choose to allow you, you will coordinate yourself, ask your question, and the answer that I know is not kind of question. I know him. He loves engagement because he's prepared. He has a lot upstairs. He knows what he's coming to do. You will ask your question, sit down. If they cook food, they will give you food when you chop. But if you go there to disrupt the event, my brother, you go hey. You will not say America, not Benin. When you come UK, when you not in UK, I mean they say you there Europe, why you not buy ticket when you come UK? May you know what to be life. No one at Azua. Wa bon wa salwa. You will about let cost. Because all these elderly women when they extort, all these people don't chop their money. Now you say government land for Edo. Now you said like give people for Lagos Red City tomorrow. Now you use cancer patients to scam people money. Now you see they come and they talk, useless boy. When the system where people don't ask questions. I wish people join me since that your foundation will not exist again for Edo. But then look and say it's a Batabase fight. You see that when you go Germany, go disrupt governor events. Go ask that idiot boy will be SSA to governor on I don't know something. Sule. Go ask what I see go ask what I do. I wish that now when we say I feel relief, go anywhere at any time. I can come meet you for there. Wow, when I'm not gonna say much.
About Obazee enter house, you be hungry like you. Everybody don't know the kind person where you be. Now your pocket, now you know. Enter house. Let your shame they shame you because I know if you call they shame your shame for you. Let your shame they shame you. Enter house. Common question when they want ask when you go DK. Now you just dey cry for so. Shame on you, you goat.